Good morning once again. Uh, in the continuity of the topic, our my next topic is elastic potential energy. Elastic potential energy. Now, what is the elastic potential energy? When a wire is stressed, when a wire is stressed, then interatomic forces comes into the play, which will oppose the change. Then work has to be done against these forces. These work done in stretching the wire is stored in it in form of its energy, which is known as the elastic potential energy of the body. Simply if we are stretching a wire, then we have to do some work on the body. This work will store in the body in form of its uh, elastic potential energy. Now we have to derive an expression for the elastic potential energy. First of all, for this expression, we will consider a wire of length L. We have a wire of length L and a force F. Capital F is the force applied on the wire. It will stretch. The wire will stretch by its length delta L. Delta L is the increase in the length of the wire. Original length is L and increase in the length of the wire is delta L. Now, when we once again we will come in the starting. We know that initially internal storage restoring force of the wire will be equal to 0 because there is no external forces acting, so its internal restoring force is also 0. When the wire is stretched by delta L, then the internal forces increases from 0 to capital F. Now, what is the final internal restoring forces? Capital F. The what is the average internal force? Starting internal force will be 0 and final internal force is F. Its average is F by 2. This is the average internal force. Then what is the, we know that work done on the wire is equal to average force, restoring force in the body divided multiply by increase in the length of the wire. Increase in the length of the wire. Now put this value, F multiply by delta L divided by 2. This is the amount of work done to increase the length of the wire by delta L. Now this work done will store as the elastic potential energy of the body. Now this becomes the elastic potential energy of the body. Now this elastic potential energy can be represent in the form of different parameter. Let us see. Now U is equal to F upon delta L upon 2. So it can be also represent half stretching force multiplied by increase in the length of the wire. We know that stretching force can be write down. It is simply write down in the term of stress multiplied by area of cross section of the wire, and increase in the length of the wire simply represent strain multiply length of the original length of the wire. This is area, this is length, this becomes the volume of the wire. So the final formula will becomes half stress into strain multiplied by volume of the wire. Similarly, this is simply the elastic potential energy of the body. But we want to find out the elastic potential energy per unit volume of the body. So it will be the total elastic potential energy divided by volume of the wire. Volume से will be cancelled by the volume of the wire. Now final formula will be equals to U is equal to half into stress into strain. This is the elastic potential energy per unit volume of the wire. It can also represent in the term of Young's modulus, it will be equals to half into stress is equal to y upon y into may strain. So stress is equal to Young's modulus multiply by may strain, and strain it can also write down the strain square. So this will becomes the elastic potential energy per unit volume of the wire. So in this way we can calculate the elastic potential energy of the body if we will have the stress and strain uh, acting on the body, or Young's modulus and strain produced in the body. So in this way we can calculate the elastic potential energy of the body. Let us see one numerical on the basis of this concept. Now what is this? Calculate the increase in the energy of brass bar of length 0.2 meter, cross sectional area 1 centimeter square, when it compressed with a load of 5 kg weight along its length is equal to this, G is equal to this, U. Now what is the internal energy of the body? What is the internal energy? What is the elastic potential energy of the body is equal to this. Now from the we know that Young's modulus is equal to this. Now putting the value of F, L, A and Y in the above equation, we can calculate the value of the internal energy of the body. In this way we can calculate the internal energy of the body. Now on the basis of there are some assignment are there, please do the assignment. These are based upon the topic elastic potential energy. So that's all for from the elastic potential energy. We will continue our study. Okay, thank you very much.